Guys, this is Hitesh Malik. You're watching me on Bollywood Live. और आज हमारे सामने है कुशा कपीला एंड मलिका दुआ जो आ रहे हैं Amazon प्राइम पर अपना एक नया शो लेकर. First of all, hi guys, welcome to the portal.
Hi, you.
And the trailer, I want to congratulate you guys because the trailer looks so promising and I'm eagerly waiting for that.
Yeah, same here. So excited to relive the whole experience.
कौन जीता ये तो बताओ मुझे पहले.
ऐसे थोड़ी last installment बाकी है अभी मेरा.
Joint winners है ना शो के. Malika and I have won with the joint winners.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Superb.
This you can quote out.
अरे टेल मी गाइस, आप लोगों ने शो में जाने से पहले इंटरनेशनल वर्जन देखा था? इफ यस, व्हाट वर द लर्निंग्स फ्रॉम दैट? कुशा.
Yeah, go.
इंटरनेशनल शो आई वॉच्ड इट एंड आई न्यू कि ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होने वाला है ये शो. सो जितना भी तुम यहाँ से सीख रहे हो कुछ काम नहीं आने वाला है वहाँ पे अंदर. बट आई डिड वॉच डॉक्यूमेंटल and which was it was super. It was super, like the more men than women in that show, so I couldn't really take anything away from it. But it was really funny, and I watched it with my husband and his friends, and they were all laughing. And I was like, why the hell am I not laughing? Why am I not finding it funny? So that's what, like, I feel like since it's very subjective what you're going to laugh on. And इंडिया में तो फिर anyway सब कुछ और ग्लैमराइज हो जाता है. And then there is documental, and then there was the Australia version, which was my favorite one, which I understood the most and I related to the most because it had a very as the gender proportion was not getting words, the gender proportion was right. There were as many women as men, so I could take a lot away from that show. Documental I watched with my husband and his friends, and they found it really, really funny. But I couldn't take away much because there was a lot of nudity on that show. मुझे पता था वो इंडिया में तो होने नहीं वाला और वो मैं भी नहीं करने वाली हूँ. तो I knew कि और contestants भी नहीं करने वाले हैं. And I knew it's going to be very different. As much as I liked the formats, I knew India में आएगा तो अलग तरीके से होगा, उसका treatment अलग होगा. So yeah.
Malika, what do you want to say?
So I didn't actually understand the Japanese and the Mexican one because I think humor is also like set in a cultural context, and I didn't get it at all. The Australian one we all got obviously because it's in English, and but it's very different, huh? The like you could go to any extent there in the Australian version pretty much, and we knew that India में ऐसा नहीं होगा, but it was really funny to watch like how people were cracking up, and of course the gender ratio was the best part of it, honestly, because it was like you also don't, एक तो language barrier, ऊपर से आप ये क्या हो रहा है ये, you know, you're in a boys locker room and you're not understanding what they're talking about. It somehow felt like that, but that gave the Australian one gave us an idea कि format क्या है, but that said हमें पता था कि creatively कुछ अलग ही होगा because इंडिया में humor अलग होता है, मतलब कुछ भी हो रहा होता है. So yeah, good.
So was there any learning?
Learning? The learning was nothing. You have to keep a straight face, avoid people. People will try to be in your face and you can expect anything. There'll be a red curtain and anyone and anything can burst out of that. So to be a little careful every time you look that way.
Yeah. After watching the Australia one, actually, I realized that I was a little skeptical about doing characters inside the house. But after watching the Australia version, I was like, nahin, kar sakte hain characters, because one comic tried it and it really worked for her. So I was like, we can try different get up, whatever.
That's great. So I was having the conversation about the show with Gaurav and Sunil earlier day, and they told me how crazy it is. And then I saw an interview where Arshad was talking about censorship on the show. He was like, good that there was censorship, नहीं तो ये लोग कुछ भी करते और गेरा तो नंगा घूमता. So I want to ask your comments on that statement.
Yeah, thank God यार, इन लोग की तो कोई हद ही नहीं है, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं हंसाने के लिए. दो मतलब nudity is just one thing na, and it's not always comical. It's also how you use it, and you'll see in the show also. I mean, anyway, the standards of skin show are different for men and women in our country, right? We don't apply the same things. So even with our restrictions, men have more liberty to kind of expose or whatever, and that's, I look at it as inequality. But अब देखना, like even with our, see, these people are people who have thrived in every media, okay, internet, TV, stage, so they are not bound by कि ये guidelines हैं और आप ये नहीं कर सकते. उनको कहीं भी डालो वो comedy कर सकते हैं. You know, like Sunil Grover, we have predominantly watched on TV and laughed our asses off.
Right.
And he's not played it safe in that sense, but he's still within the confines of standards and practices of television. He's made us crack up. So I think कि even if there wasn't जो भी था censorship, इन लोग की funniness में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना था. They're funny regardless.
Kusha.
Yeah, I feel like first of all there isn't any nudity on this show. I don't think there is, unless I have missed something in the house because it was a big house and I was.
No, not nudity, but like we can't take our shirt off. No, but the boys can.
But the thing was, I have to mention here, which I think Malika has raised an excellent point, saying that it's super like it's not equal in the sense that women using nudity as comedic relief versus men using it, it's perceived very differently in our country. For example, in the Australia show, there is this one gag where this female comic, opens her shirt and she has fake boobs inside her shirt, and I think it's such an excellent gag. And I was, for a second, I considered it, but I'm so conditioned to not use that gag, even though it's funny and it would have worked, and I could have used it in a manner where it would have worked for me. I was not confident of doing that. So definitely that. I think the closest to nudity this show comes is Gaurav Gera ke pants girte at point of time. Gaurav Gera, and I'm only talking about this gag because the trailer mein hai, where Gaurav Gera is walking and his pants are really loose and they just keep falling, and it's a running gag. He is doing his regular stuff, but pants also fall. So I feel that was just, it was so funny. It was so funny. Oh my god.
All right. So now let's play a quick game where I'll be giving you a situation and you guys to act accordingly. So since we know, Kusha, you have done South Delhi so well, and Malika, your parlor wali didi is so famous. So now let's do a situation where Kusha, as a customer, comes to Malika. Malika, you are a fashion stylist, and you have to tell Kusha को देख के कि उनको क्या changes लाने चाहिए अपने appearance में. And the twist is कि Malika, you are the South Delhi girl, and Kusha, you are the one, the parlor didi. So that's the twist.
What? यार performance करवा रहे हो मुझसे.
हाँ, कर लो.
30 seconds. इतू सा.
मैं पार्लर दीदी नहीं कर सकती, वो सिर्फ मलिका दुआ कर सकती है.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है.
It's a reach. I would not.
Boutique owner. You're a boutique owner. I'm a customer.
हेलो डार्लिंग, कैसे हो?
Hi auntie.
आंटी क्यों बोल रहे हो? थोड़ा सा वेट पुट ऑन हो गया, आंटी बोल गए. लास्ट टाइम तो दीदी बता रहे थे, क्या हो गया?
Sorry, so it's my first KC and I want to look really good. I want to look better than my Sasuma. So, can you give me something chatpata for it?
थोड़े से आप थोड़े फ्लफी हो गए हो, पर ठीक है, करवा चौथ है तो मैं कर दूंगी. थोड़ा डीप नेक करना है कि ब्लैक लेस करना है?
I think थोड़ा सा deep neck चलेगा. And then ना.
एक सेकंड, दीपा कब है करवा चौथ? वो तो अगले हफ्ते कह रही है करवा चौथ तक. अगले हफ्ते तक कैसे बनाएंगे? अगले हफ्ते तो बाजू बनेगी सिर्फ.
But मेरी हाइट इतनी कम है, आप बना सकते हो ना. I'm just 5 feet.
हाँ, वो हम कर सकते हैं, मतलब तेरी हाँ वो कर सकते हैं. वो एक ही बाजू में इसकी दोनों बन जाएंगी दीपा. अच्छा, लटकन लगानी है पीछे की नहीं?
पीछे लटकन में पम वाले मत लगाना. I'll send you what I have. I picked up some stuff on my trip to Malaysia. These things आप वो लगा देना.
क्या मलेशिया से?
Like bus pads.
बस पैड. आंटी के पास सब कुछ होता है. अभी बोला ना तूने मेरे को, आंटी के पास सब इतने. हम वो चांदनी चौक वाला दिखा देना, वो बैंकॉक से आया एकदम सीधा.
Yeah, because see the thing is, मेरे ना कॉलोनी में एक there's this girl Amrita, and I just I'm not saying कि मुझे उससे better लगना है, but yeah, I do want to look better than her because I mean they do have a farmhouse in Sudbury, but that doesn't matter because the thing is that my husband he's self-made. Okay, he just took like he just worked with his dad for like 17 years and now he's on his own. So अब मुझे अपना independent, you know, I want to look like me, I want to look like her, I want to look like me.
वो ठीक है, क्या नाम बताया तूने, कौन आई थी? अमृता. तो अमृता तो ऑलरेडी हमको ऑर्डर देके जा चुकी है यहाँ पर, अब कैसे उसका खराब बनाऊं कि तेरा अच्छा बनाऊं?
I'll go to Tarun then.
नहीं ठीक है. अमृता का मना कर दो, अभी कॉल करके मना कर दो. अच्छा तू नेक कितनी डीप लेनी, 12 इंची की 13 इंची? नहीं मैं, अरे हद हो गई है, आ गई है, अब क्या हो गया? अरे अमृता का कैंसिल कर देंगे ना हम.
राजू भैया हम बाहर चलेंगे.
नहीं शकीरा बुटीक.
Guys, it was just so amazing. Now I have to like realize कितना मुश्किल होगा आप सबके लिए कि हंसी अपनी रोकनी. तो कुछ स्ट्रैटेजी थी दिमाग में जब आप ये शो में गए कि मुझे इस तरह से अपनी हंसी को रोकना है? कुछ स्ट्रैटेजी थी आप लोगों की?
हाँ, मैं थोड़ी सड़ियल सी बन गई थी कुछ देर के लिए मैं ऐसे ना, I was just like very like you know सब कुत्ते हैं types. I was in that mode for a bit because अगर मैं ऐसे resting bitch face रखूं तो शायद मुझे हंसी ना आए. मुझे बहुत easily हंसी फूट जाती है.
I was with Malika. I don't think वो सड़ी हुई बनी हुई थी शो पे. She was just constantly doing her gags and some were really funny. Like to be able to watch that live. You know, I have watched Malika's content for such a long time, and to be able to witness that live, and as she's thinking, she's creating stuff, it was just too much fun. ऐसे 2-3 बार हमने भी आपस में आंटी टॉक कर रही है, तो मतलब
कुछ हरकतें अब पता नहीं एडिट में क्या है क्या नहीं है, हमारी मेमोरी में.
आप लोगों ने भी नहीं देखा है अभी तक जो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट है?
No, we'll see it when it's on Amazon. Like
ओके,
हमको ये भी नहीं पता कौन जीता है.
ये तो पता ही है, ये तो you guys know. और आप दोनों में से कोई लग रहा है मुझे कुछ तो गड़बड़ जरूर है.
It's a tie.
ये हमारी पर्सनालिटी.
Now my headline would be like Kusha Kapila reveal the winner of LOL हंसे तो फंसे.
Yeah, you can write it, and you can write that Malika and Kusha won in a tie.
Yeah, we did.
Perfect.
यार हंसने की तो जरूरत है सबको अभी इस वक्त. आई थिंक अगर घर पे हो और डरे और you know कुछ मन हल्का करना है then definitely watch it.
Yeah, but we see your Instagram and we laugh. So why do we watch this show especially? Because your Instagram is lit AF anyway.
Because this is my Instagram into a 10.
Okay.
And this into 6. And then into 10 because there's 10 of us. So this is like
I would just like to say this is a kasata of comics. And किसी ना किसी point पे हम सबको kasata बहुत अच्छी लगती थी लाइफ में. So you guys should go. ऐसे इतने सारे comics एक घर में कब नहीं देखने को मिलेंगे. Just watch it, guys. It's something you need to watch.
Okay guys, thank you so much for connecting, and मैं तो जरूर देखने वाला हूँ because now my excitement level to watch the show is this much. Thank you so much for connecting. It was great talking to you.